Hey guys, it's Jenny! And today I'm doing a little unboxing review for you. This lovely girl, I'm gonna call you a girl because I have a feeling you're younger than me. Her name is Audrey, reached out to me about her bracelets. And her website is sunflowerpop.com. And she started this as a freshman in college, just making them for friends and family. And then people started asking if they could buy them. So she decided to start selling them, and she started off selling them on Etsy, and then now she's branched out, and now she has her website, sunflowerpop.com. She makes them in Huntsville, Alabama, and they are just now starting to look into possibly donating a portion of their profits to some type of charity. They haven't decided yet, but they are starting to look into that. So I think that is amazing. And these bracelets, I looked on the website, they are so pretty. And yeah, so if you do decide to check out the bracelets, she did give me a 15% discount code, Jackie Edwards, and I will link all of this in the description box for you, so you can look down there, and all this information will be down there. And then if you do order using that code and you decide, hey, I want more, she is going to give me another discount code for your second order if you follow her on Instagram at hello_sunflowerpop. There's a and you follow her on Instagram. That's her Instagram name. I will have that listed below as well. And make a second order, then you will get another 15% discount if you use code thank you. And I will also have that information all listed in the description box. So let's get into opening this adorable package. Yeah, so you can see the bracelets. I already ripped it open. I sometimes have a hard time opening these, so I figured I would rip it open ahead of time so you don't have to listen to me playing with the package, because it can get a little loud. So we're just gonna pull it out, and it comes wrapped in bubble wrap. Okay, so I have 3 bracelets here. And oh my gosh, I just want to tell you, these are even prettier in person than they are on their website. Wow, their website does not do these justice. They are like hefty bracelets. Awesome. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you is, I believe it was called Pop of Gold. And it is this beautiful, here, I'll hold it like this, white with the gold like marble going through these beads. They're not all like that, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are. And the rest are like a white color. You guys, seriously, these are so pretty in person. I hope you guys get like the gist, there, that's better, of how pretty these are. They really are very, very pretty. And then I believe this is like a pink floral. You can look on the website for all the information. The names of these, I kind of forgot to write them down. But yeah, so there's this one, which I think would be perfect to wear today with my makeup. Has these beautiful, these 3 beautiful flower beads. They're so pretty. Yes, and then the rest are like a baby pink, and they are stretchy, so they will go around your hands. And then there's this one, I believe was pink hymen. Has this little hymen bead right here. Guys, I am not. Let's see if I can turn this. There we go. Right here. It's very, very cute. And then half of it is pink and half of it is white. And I just think these are so pretty, so pretty. And these aren't like cheap beads. Like, they're not cheap plasticky beads. Their prices are amazing. Like, she's not trying to like gyp people, like making these bracelets and selling them for like 20 something dollars or whatever. No, they're like $6, $8, depending on which ones you get. And yeah, so they're not gonna break the bank, and they are so cute. I want to put this one on. Look at oh, look at that. I love it. It goes well with my makeup today. My pink makeup. So yes, oh my gosh, guys, I love these. These are so beautiful. Oh wow. And I have a hard time finding bracelets that won't fly off my hand. These aren't going anywhere, guys. They're not gonna fly off my hand. I have very small wrists, so for you small wrist gals out there, they will fit you and they will not fly off your hand. So that is a plus for me, let me tell you. So yay. Oh my gosh, guys, these are so pretty. So her name is Audrey, and I just really want to give a big thank you, Audrey. I love them. They are beautifully put together, and they are so pretty. So yeah, I hope you guys will, check that out. Check out her website, information in the description box, in case I haven't already told you. Yeah, check out the website and pick out some cool bracelets and place yourself in order, because yeah, these are so pretty. I really love them, and this one as well. I love this one too. Yes, so I just really wanted to. I'm so excited these fit me. I gotta say, I was a little worried they might not, because I have small wrists, but they do. Beautiful. Okay, so yes, that is today's video. I hope you will please go check her out. I just love it. I mean, I love like startup small businesses that are just cute and rationally priced. I mean, some people get a little carried away, but yes. So yes, please check her out. Look through her bracelets. Make a purchase. Don't forget to look for the discount codes in the description box, and yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and hit that little bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation to be alerted as soon as my videos go up. And yeah, this, by the way, this is not a sponsored video. She did send me these bracelets, but this is not sponsored. I actually really do love these bracelets. They are even prettier in person. You trust me. But yeah, so, and I do not make any commission on any of the discount codes, just so you know. Those are just for you guys, just because she's that nice. So yeah, go check her out, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye.